Hitting the road with your bikes is always exciting, but finding the right bike rack for your Toyota Prius can be a challenge. You need a rack that's secure, easy to install, and won't interfere with your hatchback or cargo space. From lightweight, trunk-mounted designs to sturdy hitch racks, the perfect option keeps your bike safe while making loading and unloading a breeze. In this guide, we'll explore the best bike racks for Prius, highlighting features, ease of use, and what makes each one stand out for every type of rider. Number 5. NOCO Boost GB40 1000 amps ultra-safe jump starter. The NOCO Boost Plus GB40 is a powerhouse of a portable jump starter, designed as a modern lithium-ion alternative to the cumbersome traditional lead-acid booster packs or the reliance on a second vehicle. Its primary purpose is to provide emergency 12-volt power to revive dead batteries in seconds, rated for gasoline engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel engines up to 3.0 liters. Key features include its ultra-safe technology, which offers spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, making it virtually foolproof for those who are nervous about connecting live terminals. Built with a rugged IP65 water-resistant enclosure and rubberized overmolding, the unit feels premium and durable, surviving drops and harsh storage environments with ease. In real-life scenarios, the GB40 is praised for its manual override function, which allows it to jump batteries that are so depleted they cannot even be detected by the device's sensors, a common failure point for cheaper competitors. While it functions as a 100-lumen LED flashlight and a power bank for USB devices, its versatility is somewhat limited compared to the Hopeman Alpha 85, which offers a much faster 65-watt recharge speed and a larger digital display versus the GB40's simple LED indicators. Performance remains consistent across multiple jumps on a single charge. However, users in extreme sub-zero climates may find it needs to be warmed up before it delivers its full 1000 ampere peak current. Number 4. Powrun P1 Jump Starter 2000 ampere portable jump. The Powrun P1 Jump Starter is a high-capacity, versatile emergency tool designed to bridge the gap between pocket-sized boosters and professional-grade equipment. Its primary purpose is to provide a massive 2000 ampere peak current capable of reviving gasoline engines up to 8.0 liters and diesel engines up to 6.5 liters, which far exceeds the capabilities of entry-level units like the NOCO GB40. Key features include an integrated 18,000 mAh power bank with quick charge 3.0 ports and a multi-mode LED flashlight. The build quality is robust, featuring a rubberized IP65 rated housing that offers significant protection against water, dust, and drops, making it ideal for storage in rugged environments. Performance-wise, the P1 excels in real-life scenarios, with its dedicated boost button, which overrides safety sensors to force start batteries that have dropped below 9 volts, a critical feature for deeply discharged batteries. When compared to the NOCO Boost Plus GB40, the Powrun offers nearly double the peak amperage and a much more informative digital LCD screen, whereas the NOCO relies on simpler LED indicators. Number 3. Charma Car Jump Starter. The Charma 5000 ampere jump starter is a heavy-duty portable power solution engineered for those who deal with high displacement engines or commercial-grade equipment. Its primary purpose is to deliver a massive surge of current, rated at 5000 amps peak, to jumpstart gasoline engines up to 10.0 liters and diesel engines up to 9.0 liters, placing it in a higher performance tier than the NOCO GB40 or Powrun P1. Key features include an 8000 mAh high-discharge lithium battery, dual USB charging ports for mobile devices, and an ultra-bright 400-lumen LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes. The build quality is surprisingly compact given its power rating, featuring a high-impact shell and smart jumper clamps that provide 10 layers of protection, including spark-proof and reverse polarity safeguards. In real-life scenarios, users have noted its ability to revive large V10 engines and heavy-duty trucks with minimal battery depletion, often consuming only 3 to 5% of its total charge per jump. When compared to the industry-leading NOCO Boost GB40, 3000 amps, the Charma claims a much higher peak amperage at a significantly lower price point, making it an attractive bang-for-your-buck option. Number 2. Buture VAC Portable 10-in-1 Car Battery Jump Starter. The Buture VAC Beta 07 10-in-1 Jump Starter is a comprehensive roadside survival station designed to replace multiple bulky tools with a single high-tech chassis. Its primary purpose is to provide extreme cranking power, boasting a massive 8,000 ampere peak current capable of starting all gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 14.0 liters, a specification that outclasses almost everything in the consumer market. Beyond its jumping capabilities, it features an integrated 160 psi turbo air compressor that can inflate a car tire in under 2 minutes, a 26,800 mAh power bank with PD 45-watt bidirectional fast charging, and a 600-lumen multi-mode LED light. The build quality is exceptional for its class, featuring a retractable handle, a rugged fire-resistant shell, and a large 3.3-inch high-contrast smart display that provides real-time pressure and battery diagnostics. In real-life scenarios, the force start function is a standout, allowing users to bypass safety sensors to revive batteries that have flatlined to 0 volts. When compared to a premium competitor like the Fantic T8 Apex, the Buture offers significantly higher peak amperage, 8,000 amps versus 2,000 amps, and the added utility of an air compressor, though the Fantic offers a slightly faster 65-watt charging output. Number 1. CZKBG 10-in-1 Portable Car Battery Jump Starter. The CZKBG 10-in-1 Jump Starter YL03 is a high-performance emergency toolkit designed to be a definitive solution for large vehicles and roadside mishaps. Its primary purpose is to provide an immense 6,000 ampere peak current, rated to start all gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 12.0 liters, effectively handling heavy-duty trucks and RVs that smaller units cannot budge. Key features include a 160 psi integrated air compressor with a fast 45 liters per minute flow rate, a massive 26,800 mAh power bank with PD 65-watt fast charging, and a highly informative 3.3-inch LCD screen. The build quality is distinct, utilizing a honeycomb heat dissipation design that improves safety by 30% and longevity by 50% compared to standard flat casing units. In real-life scenarios, its force start function proves invaluable for batteries that have dropped to 0 volts, while the compressor can top off a tire to 25 pounds per square inch in roughly 2 minutes. When compared to the Buture VAC 8,000 amps, the CZKBG offers a slightly more compact form factor and a superior 65-watt charging speed versus 45 watts, though the Buture holds a higher raw amperage ceiling. The value for money is exceptionally high, as it bundles professional extras like a hard shell case and multiple inflation nozzles that would cost significantly more if purchased separately. Unique design aspects, such as the 800-lumen warning triangle light mode, further enhance its utility as a safety beacon. I highly recommend the CZKBGYL03 for owners of large diesel vehicles or long-distance commuters who want a single, powerful device to manage both dead batteries and low tire pressure. Choosing the right bike rack for your Toyota Prius comes down to your needs and riding style. Trunk-mounted racks are great for everyday use and easy installation, while hitch-mounted racks offer superior stability and are ideal for heavier bikes or frequent trips. Roof-mounted racks work well for keeping the hatch clear, but require more effort to load bikes. Ultimately, the best rack balances convenience, security, and your typical bike carrying needs, making every ride easier and more enjoyable.